together.
Sula, where are we going? We going to see Parque de Bombas?
You realize this is the first time we use the stroller since
Yep.
we arrived?
Wow.
Put it together, baby. I really didn't think it was going to register.
Oh, she knows. What's that? What do you see? I know, you're getting excited, huh? Yeah. Wow. Wow, look, it's real.
Baba told you he was bringing you to el Parque de Bombas.
Sula, can you say bomba?
Bomba, Parque de Bombas.
Yeah, it's that. Yes, it is. Good girl. Is this?
You want me to get her out?
That? Wow.
Look at
Wow. It's the same thing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you want to go see it? You want out? Come on. Yeah, let's go see it.
I'll take care of this stroller.
Okay, come on.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, I know. Wow. There it is, huh?
Look at that.
Yeah.
You had that toy for so long. Now
Wow.
you get to see the real thing. Look at it.
That's it. I know. That's it.
Parque de Bombas.
Yeah, that's Parque de Bombas. Yeah.
Come on, Sula.
Parque de Bombas.
Parque de Bombas, baby.
Wow. Wow.
This way, Sula.
Follow Mama. She knows.
That was a really good idea on your part, baby.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a fire truck. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. You want to take a picture?
T-shirt.
Okay, let me stop this and we'll take a picture.
T-shirt.
Let me stop and then we'll take a picture, okay?